Hello guys, how are you? I hope all are good. So today we'll see because I was getting some mail how to use Postman and all. So today we'll make a video on Postman, means how to use Postman and how to download. Okay, see, already I have Postman, but I will show you how to download it. Okay, just go in Google and select your email ID that you do according to your PC configuration. Okay, then type here Postman download. Okay, for Windows also you can put sorry, if it is window you can put window, if it is any different like Mac operating system, Linux operating system, for that you can go for other things. Okay, see, okay, see here there is a get started for free, it is there. So if you go here and if you go, you can see somewhere there will be option for Postman download. Okay, so you can download that. See here there is a option like download the app to get started with the Postman API. So if you click here and if you download, you will get Postman. Because already I have, so see it is downloading. So what I will do it pause. Okay, so after downloading, what you need to do, you need to do just next, and whatever it is asking that you need to do. So what will happen, it will get installed. Okay, so this is about Postman. So after installing, how it will look and how to work in that I will show you. Okay, so first thing, why we use Postman. Okay, see, Postman we use to test the API internally or in localhost. Okay, see, if you are doing any APIs directly, we cannot use or in our application. Before that we need to test whether it is working proper or not. If it is working, then we can use that in application. Suppose if without testing, if you are using, then you will face lots of error, right? So by using Postman we can test API very easily and we will get all the details. Okay, so we use Postman. This is Postman. Okay, so I have installed already, so I will search this Postman. See, it is showing already, then also I will search, that is Postman, then here is open. So I am opening now. Okay, so what will happen now, it will get open. See, it is showing what downloading, it is showing what it is downloading. We'll cancel this. Okay, it get cancelled now. Okay, now my Postman is getting open, so it will take some time. Let take them time. Okay, see, it is opening. Okay, we'll wait for that. So see, it is open now, right? See, already I have used, so it is showing these all API because I have tested some API here. So what it is showing, it is showing some API. But if you are new to here, after installing, if you have new Postman, then it will not show these all things. We need to you can go in collection, or you can go in home, go in workplace and create a test API. So if you go here workspace, see here create workspace is there in home. Okay, if you come here, it will show something like this. You can see good afternoon in Fiskai, right? Means whatever the name we are given, that it will show. I'll go back workspace, I'll go my workspace. Okay, I came here. See, it is showing new because it is not there. See here, there is no API, right? If I go here, team workspace, here, see here my API, that is a teams API. If you are new, you will see like this in your PC. Okay, you will see like this. Then here there is a API network, private API, public API, partner API, that you can do. Then suppose to create API or to test API, how we need to do, just go in collection. Okay, we'll see. Okay, we'll see later what is collection. So first what we'll do, we'll go in new. Okay, then HTTP request. Okay, here you need to click. So what we'll get like this. Okay, So what we'll do, I will test one API right now. So already I have some API that I will copy, which is in my team workspace. So show API, I'll take show API. Okay, I'm copying this. I'll go here in my workspace and I will paste here, and here you can give name also. So first we'll execute and I'll show you how to change the name. Okay, so it is a show API files. Okay, we don't want API files, okay, because that database I don't have. So I'll go in student. I think this is store API file. Okay, we'll take API file only because I think I have that database. Okay, fine, let it be. We'll check that. This is my API, and this should be turned on because I'm using localhost. So you need to start this. Then see here, there is authorization. If any authorization is there, that you can give here. Then here it is header, then body. See header, here you need to do one thing, that is accept. You need to put here, otherwise it will give error. Okay, remember this, accept, and here JSON application. Okay, then send. I'll send now. We'll check, because I'm showing means here should be get, right? So I'm taking here get. Now we'll check whether it will work. Okay, here I'm sending request. See here it is showing my data. See that data I have in my localhost. Suppose if I put here localhost 8080, not there. Okay, this is my localhost. So you can see here I'm getting this data. If I go here create new, okay, if you see, if we create new API, then it will be very easy to test. See here I have what I have done in team workspace. You can see here I have created here APIs. Okay, that is image API, new collection. You can see show API means directly I can copy this API. Store API, directly I can store, and directly I can test means I have created lots of API to test. So this is the collection. You can do the collection of all the APIs like that. Also you can do here. See I have here will create a new request. So this is my new request. Here you can give API name, that is show API. Okay, and I'll copy that earlier APIs. See if I'm not giving in header that accept and all, you can see I'll face one issue. Okay, it is not giving. I think already I have given, right? Already I have given, so it has taken that. So it is giving now what? If you are new to this Postman, that time you need to give that is accept and JSON, otherwise it will give error. Okay, so this is the show API. Suppose if you want to create one more API, just go here and okay, it is not showing anything. So what I will do, I will go in collection. Okay, here I will do add request. See here add request. So I will take one more API, that is I'll copy from here only because it will save my time also and your time also. So store API I'll copy this. I will go in my workspace. Okay, I'll paste here and I'll give you a name like store API. Okay, then save and send. Sorry, for store I need to put something. It will give error, right? It will give error, I know that. See, for store API what we need to go in body, then form data, then whatever the database I have, according to that I need to give data. So it will get stored here. Student details, I think mine is student details only, right? First name, last name, city name. This only think so. Is his first name, last name, city email. So here it is first underscore name, last underscore name, Then last one is what? A city underscore name. Okay, city underscore name. So I'll put here last name city Pune. I'll put Pune and I'll send. Okay, it is get method is not supported. Yes, right, it will not support only, that is true. Okay, that is true, it will not support get because we are storing. So what it will support what? Post. So I'll send now. We'll check. See, again it is giving error. Why it is giving error? That we'll see. Okay, row. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll go here, accept JSON application sent. You can see here the given data was invalid. It is giving invalid. The city field is required, right? So what I'll do, I'll go in here, everything I'm giving, but why it is giving city field is required? Is this city, this last name, this first name, something I missed here or what? That will check. Sorry, email I have missed here, email, right? So what I will do, I'll put here email at gmail.com. Okay, I'll paste here. Oh, again it is giving city, means I'm checking different database, I think so, right? My database is okay, here it is student. Okay, fine. See, my database is I was checking different database. So what I need to do, I need to change now. So I'll go in Postman, just what is their name, city and fields. Okay, name, city and fields. So what I will do here just name. Okay, here it is city and here it is fields. Okay, I'll delete this. City Pune, fees 4,000. Okay, now I'll send. See, it is storing now, right? So if I go here, if I refresh, I'll get here C7 Sunita Pune 4,000, right? See, I'll say sorry because earlier I was using wrong database, so I have given here wrong, so it was giving error, but whenever I found it is right database, so that time it is stored. You can see, so like this you can test the API. See here, this is my collection of API, that is show API, store API. See, if I go here and if I send, it will show the API. If I go get here, if I save here, it will change to post. Then if I send here, I'll guess this data. So like this you can do. Okay, suppose if you have any queries regarding Postman, then please comment in comment box, so we'll answer to that. And if you are new to our channel, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much everyone for supporting us. Thank you.